How to enter
Yes,
service
hey
mode for
guys,
bizhub
welcome to my channel.
c454e printer with
Yes,
input
I'm here
password
to enter the service mode for bizhub
927292729272.
C454e. So here are the steps. First you have to go to the menu, then go to the counter. Yes, you can press the display key, press stop, press 00 twice, stop, 01. Yes, some of the machine will just go straight away into the service mode, some will ask for input password. The default input password is 9272 9272 9272 9272 4 times. Then the machine automatically go into the service mode. So you can do what you want. You can do test mode, and other things. You can see the counter, network settings. So this is the service mode for this machine, bizhub C454e. Thank you.